John, a message from you, please. If you can tell us what this event means to you, what you have seen over the years of your association as the face of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon.
Big thank you to all the people sitting here. You guys have made this event more than possible. And Dan, Lakshmi, and all you guys sitting here. Vivek, a big compliment to you. I think you and Anil have been the drivers of this marathon. I am honored actually to be the face of the marathon. It's my longest standing association, probably one of the longest standing associations of any brand ambassador across a brand. And I take a lot of pride in saying that, you know, we do so much good for different charities, and that's one of the biggest drivers why we all are here. And that's why I have a lot of respect for all the people sitting here, because we're actually driving the largest charity across the country.
Thank you, John. Thank you. You know, there are many facets to the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon, and that's what's caused the revolution across the country of running and health and fitness. And John, you'll be remembered as one of them. You're one of the key facets of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon.
Well, Vivek, congratulations to you, firstly, for launching this. So 13 years and counting, I think it's just grown in strength. And as you said, we've been so intrinsically involved or engaged with this event. It's a home for everybody. It's a great feeling when the day arrives and the whole family comes together again and we all integrate. I strongly believe that we need to provide an environment to the athletes and people participating and others participating, whether it's the officials, a fantastic environment, comfortable environment, and a feeling where they've come from all over the world and they need to just settle in and be prepared for the race.
That's what's caused the revolution across the country of running and health and fitness. And John, you'll be remembered as one of them. You're one of the key facets of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon. Now, the most looked forward to events is the Get Active Mumbai Marathon Expo. It's slated to start in 48 hours. And this time, I know from all what I've been hearing, it's huge, the kind of brands you've got associated with it. It's where every runner comes to collect his running number. There are many experts that you have lined up for talks and interactions with runners.
And actually, at Radio Mirchi, we don't call it an event. It is a movement. It is a movement of change. It is a movement which is making the city, Mumbai, a far fitter, healthier city. And I must tell you, one of the reasons of Radio Mirchi being a far fitter organization, I think we could have run any number of HR initiatives on, you know, cut down smoking, no smoking in office, or, you know, ways to cut down cholesterol, or any of those things would not have helped us, you know, would not have really gone the way what Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon has done for our organization. I was just telling a DJ that almost 30% of our corporate office is part of the Mumbai.
So just being the face is giving me an opportunity to be credible, and thank you so much for that. And I'd like to also thank the media actually for supporting this, because it's very important that people out there actually see us and come in droves and come in numbers, and that's exactly what's happening. This marathon has grown and grown by leaps and bounds, and it's the only one day that I wish Mumbai was like that 365 days. It's a fantastic day. Please watch Mumbai this Jan 17th on a Sunday. It's the way Mumbai should be every day. It's lovely.